Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I realized right after I got through with the other video that I had more content, and so I'm back in this shirt and this jewelry again. So this will be 4 videos in a row of the same look. I hope you don't get bored. I could go change shirts and make you think it was a different day. Anyway, I've got to have a little more coffee. It's cold now. I gotta go pour it over ice. I do that a lot. I get my Chick-fil-A coffee because they have vanilla in it, the iced coffee, and I realize, you know what, I can make my coffee at home and just keep a little vanilla extract next to the coffee maker and put a little teeny squirt of that in there and pour it over ice, and it tastes the same. Chick-fil-A's is better, but it is a nice little touch. Okay, so for today, what I wanted to do, hello Bree, she wanted me to kick the ball, sorry. Okay, I'm not sorry, she needs me to. So today is about this, Chantecaille. I got in a new order for Chantecaille. I really love Chantecaille because she always promotes some sort of a cause with her makeup. And I love that about her, that she makes a point to make a palette that helps somebody. This is called the Protect the Lions palette. Let me take my glasses off so I can actually see and you can look at the palette. Acting as the king of the jungle, lions once ruled the southern tip of Africa all the way to the northeastern India. In just the past 60 years alone, the lion population has decreased by almost half due to poaching, habitat loss, and conflict. These majestic creatures play an extremely important role as apex predators. Their population decline has had grave repercussions and will continue to do so if we don't act now to help protect them. A portion of the proceeds from the refillable palette, so this is a refillable palette, will be donated to the Lion Guardians and their efforts to educate local communities on the need to protect the lions. The Lion Guardians bestow knowledge upon young tribesmen and instill a feeling of pride in them by teaching them the importance of becoming lion guardians instead of lion hunters. To learn more and find out how you can help, please visit www.chantecaille.com. That's also where you will find her makeup. Chantecaille is spelled Chantecaille. Chantecaille. Okay, so there's the lion. This one was a long shot, and it's because almost all of her palettes, I've showed you, done a Chantecaille review before. If you would like me to do another one, because it's been a long time, years, comment below. I would like to see the Chantecaille palettes that you have, because I have a lot of them. And I almost always don't use them because they're limited edition, one of a kind, and when they're over, they're over. So the horses one, which is the one that really got my heart, because she actually has a link when you go to the website for that one of what actually is happening to wild horses, and I got so upset. It really moved me and my niece to get involved and see what we could do. If nothing else, buying the palette, because the proceeds go, a portion of the proceeds go to it, and she makes sure a good portion does. Do you hear Bree actually saying, "Mama"? Baby, I don't know where it went. I hate when things fall. I don't want to try to get it right now, because I want you to see this, and I don't really want to do it upside down to protect the mirror from being in your eyes, because I want you to see the lion imprint in these colors. Usually in the palette there is one of the colors that can double as a blush, and I think it's this, but I don't see how because it is so dark. If you are a person of color, and when I say color, I don't just mean African American women, I also mean if you are Asian, if you are like Italian, or if you've got a little bit of coloring, Arabian, Indian, if you've got some coloring to your skin that's not so pale white like me, I feel like this would actually be a good blush color. But if you're pale as me, I think this might look like your face is dirty. I don't know. I am going to use this palette, which will be very hard because the imprint, it's hard because once you start using it, the imprint goes away. And y'all, I'm going to make this, if I can, focus closely. Let me see if I can make it focus, so that you can see the imprint of the colors and see the colors up close, see the texture up close. Again, this is the Protect the Lions Eye palette from Chantecaille. And because of my lighting, you see that it's reflecting, so I don't know if that's going to mess it up as well. But then now I will go ahead and also hold it beside my face, because I think I will have to hold it upside down. I wanted you to see the lions, but otherwise the mirror is going to be in your face. Or maybe I can hold it right side up but just blot the mirror. How about that? But Isn't that stunning, y'all? I absolutely love it. I think it's so, so pretty. I love the 3 colors for the eyes. I think this is a very interesting color. It's almost like a... Well, let me do a swatch. It's going to be right on its nose. See, it took some of its nose off. Oh, that's a great color. Okay, so they dusted an opalescence over this. I'm glad I'm doing this because the color underneath is different. The opalescence is to give it a really iridescent, pretty entry look, but then you have the 3 perfect colors to do an eye palette. Okay, let's see what does this really look like. Here goes. Oh, that's so dark. That can't be used for blush. It could be used for contour, but there's no blush color here. Usually there is. But for summer bronze look, if you didn't do a lot of blush, or either just use this as contour. Here, you can't see with the way I'm holding my hand. Hold on. Okay, so there's the 4 colors. That's what it looks like. Those are great. This is a great eye palette, y'all. It's one of the best eye palettes I can remember, to be honest with you. That is 4 fantastic colors. Because you've got your transition color, you've got a color for the lid that's a shimmer, you've got a highlight color that you could use both on your inner corner of your brow bone and highlight for the face. And you've got a beautiful chocolate brown with a little bit of gold to it. So if you did this lightly, you might be able to contour with it, but you also could definitely use this for the outer V, lining underneath the eye and the brow. So this is a great eye palette. I don't know that it's complete enough to say it's a face palette like all the others. The other ones always have some shade of peach or pink or something that can double from the eye to the cheek. So unless you're, I don't know, I don't think you could do that with this palette. But that's okay. It's the only one that I know of that she has that you know, that's the case. Let's see. Once I put it on my skin, like rub it in my skin, what does it look like? Y'all, that looks to me like a great eye palette. It's going to be very hard to make myself use it because of the imprint of the lions. What I did one time was I bought one for collective purposes and one to use. That was the horse one. Because as I started using it, the horses went away. I was sad. Plus, I thought, it's a win-win because then they're getting more money for the whole horses thing. So there's that. Okay, so let's move on to the next piece. The next piece is, I'm having to open it. They individually package them with a little tissue. And this is the Chantecaille Luminescent Eye Shade. So it's luminescent, and I forgot what the name of it is. Mare. This one's Mare. What I love about this, let's just open it and see if, I think, what's on the cover is also on the actual lid, and I thought that was so cute because it looks so Riviera. Oh my gosh, it is. Looks like the Italian or French Riviera. I bet it's French Riviera. Look, it's little umbrellas, little blue umbrellas on the Riviera beach. Isn't that cool? And the color is a good eye color for me. It's a green. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Baby. What? Mommy. Bree, I can't get it. When you put it that far under, Mommy can't even. Oh my gosh. Bree, what makes you think Mama can reach that? She'll shove it right under something and be like, it's because she knows she has to have your undivided attention to get to that. Oh, bless her heart. She's so, a little manipulative. Okay, so there it is. It's a beautiful, I don't know what would y'all call it, like a mint green, an iridescent mint green. It's called Mare. A mare is a horse. Is this like a theme with me now? Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. That would be perfect on my eyes right now. Hold on, I have to. Right there on the front, both sides, and out a little. Maybe even out a lot. That looks awesome. This is going to be like my look because I have green eyes. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, the name again is Mare. M-A-R-E. And that was one of them. I got it, honestly, because I thought that was the cutest little compact I've ever seen. With little Riviera Beach. So cool. You can even see the ocean, the sand, and the umbrellas. It's just really cute. Okay, so here's the other one. Oh my gosh, this is one of the horse things. Oh, come on. Here's the thing about having these short nails. I can't do nothing. There we go. Pull that off. Okay. Oh, how pretty. See, she's really into helping save horses. This is called Cheek Shade, and it's Joy. Wild horses need land to roam free. By conserving parklands for wild horses, we are not only helping the herds, we are also ensuring that the land remains preserved for human generations. As it was originally intended, you can help by supporting the American Wild Horse Campaign, which Chantecaille is proud to support. Again, on her website. She's amazing. I got to tell you, I love a person that does this. And it's called Joy. I love Joy. And look at this. It's just a little silver disc, but when you open it, oh, that's the shade that was in my eye palette. That is a cheek color. Oh, I hope y'all can see this. It's the imprint of a horse running. So its hair is kind of sticking out like it was running. It's blowing. It's beautiful. How can I possibly use this? And see, you see the color behind the imprint of the horse, this kind of shade. As soon as you do that, the shimmery color is gone. It's a beautiful color. Again, this is called Joy. This is another one that I may get a second one just for my collection, because this will be limited edition. That's the only thing. Okay, let's blend it in. Let's blend that in. Or here, I'll just do it with my hands. Why am I doing it this way? Because since I only had a dot of it, this is the way you actually blush, is right here in the front. Here and here. That's where you actually blush. Not back here. That's where you contour. And you can blend it back up, just so it doesn't look like a little splotch. But when you actually do blush, y'all, it's here and it's here. And you can put a little on the bridge of your nose, so it looks like you got a little sun, and underneath. And maybe right there, on the ball of your chin. Just a way to wipe it all off. How does it look? How does me and my horsey look? Y'all, I love this.